drive for Laser Tools instead of anyone else?
Laser has been a fantastic backing to me, and they believed in me, they took a chance on me, and now we don't even see it as a sponsor. It's not like I've chose to go with them. We're one thing, they're supportive of anything I want to do, and we are one big team. It's not a case of a driver, a team and a sponsor. We are one team, and we work together, and they've always been behind me, supported me, and I can't really be thankful enough for the chance I've took, and we've just got a fantastic relationship that we just keep going forward.